So if you want to keep track of the changes that you make inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro, especially when you're working on a long-term project when you have to open up the file later on down the road, or if let's say for example other people will be accessing your project, then you may want to track the changes. So to do that, what you need to do first is go around and enable the track changes by going on to the storyboard menu right here and by going into track changes. So here you can see that auto track mode can be turned on. You can go around over here and turn this on, and whatever change that you make right here. So if I were to go around right here and resize this right here, then what happens is that you can see that this turns yellow, meaning a change has been added on over here. You can go around over here on to select right here. You can select this out right here and resize this, and you can go around and see that these are the changes right here. And you can go around over here as well, resize, and you can see that this turns yellow over here as well, meaning that the changes has been applied over there on this particular panel right here. So whenever I do some changes right here to the panel, whatever, it will be tracked down right here. So if I were to go around over here onto storyboard and go to track changes, you can also track changes by date right here. So you can go around, let's say for example, you want to see the changes in a particular date, then you can go around and then track the changes. So here you can see there's 5 panels and certain changes has been made in certain dates right here. And you can also go around and then mark it as changed over here as well, or you can go around and then let's say for example mark changes over here by validating it as well. So let's say this is the change right here. So if you are okay with the change, then you can validate this, and you can see that that has been validated. You can go around and validate the next scene over here as well, and the changes, the track changes, you can see that which has turned yellow actually changed right here. And that is how you can track out changes inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.